hardly stand it. Why? Because today is the final walkthrough of your soon-to-be home sweet home. Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home team of Keller Williams, and today we just want to touch base on what you can expect when you're taking that last look through your home before signing the papers on the dotted line. So the walkthrough is your final opportunity to ensure your new home is in the same or better condition than it was the last time you toured it. Now you and your realtor will be there to confirm through the walkthrough that all the agreed upon repairs are completed, and we always like to make sure there's receipts as well so you can verify as you walk through the home exactly what has been done and have the contact person for the repairs to call in case you have challenges later. Feel free to take notes and photos while walking through to document your home's condition. It may come in handy if you need to follow up with the seller on any of those last minute details. And while in the home, make sure you test light fixtures, appliances, garage door openers, disposable, and faucets to make sure everything is running in working order. A thorough inspection of the home's exterior is just as important as the interior, so be sure to walk around the outside of the house. Now, with all the excitement and you're heading to closing soon, this process is super important, so make sure you're fully present to take a full walkthrough and take in all the aspects of the home before leaving that day of your final walkthrough. They typically take 15 to 30 minutes, so plan accordingly and make sure to get recommendations of other things your realtor may want you to look through as well. Doing this will help you avoid costly repairs and surprises once that moving truck backs up to your home. Now, if anyone that you know is looking for a place to call home, it will be an absolute pleasure to have a consultation and let them know how we look out for them in the purchase or sale process from contract through the final walkthrough to that final closing table of signing the documents. Again, Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team. We look forward to assisting you, your friends, and family with all your real estate goals.